Myself Sindhu, CEO of Sindhu Digital. Before starting, I would like to thank the organizer for giving me an opportunity to talk on women entrepreneurs. What does it mean to be a women entrepreneur? To be a women entrepreneur, the first thing is to believe in yourself and let people around you recognize that you are an entrepreneur. And by doing so, you will start working hard to reach what you want to be. And for all this to happen, we should have a vision, keep learning, start mastering the skills, be courageous, have patience, and always ready to take risk. And fear should not be your part. And also, you should start building support team and also work on networking. And coming to what challenges do you face being a woman entrepreneur? One big challenge is prenatal and postnatal, which drastically shifts the career path of every woman from being an entrepreneur to be a caretaker. Yes, it's a part of life that we live in. But this challenge can be addressed by empowering other people around you to take over the business till you're back. Personal health is also to be taken care of. Soon after this, the next challenge is motherhood. I am a mother of 2-year-old baby. Taking care of her takes up a lot of time and energy. Even though I have my in-laws for my support, me being with her is a must for her development. Even though most of the household responsibilities are taken up by my family, there would be some part of responsibilities which is unavoidable. This is where the balancing between family and work to be done. And how can I encourage more women to become entrepreneurs? Right now, according to me, most women and young children are more familiarized with the word of household activities and not the entrepreneur world. The entrepreneur world has to be introduced much earlier itself in education. And family or friends should step up to take some household and family responsibilities. Same time, everyone should identify the women, that might be your sister, mother, wife, who has the skills or who have an hobby which can be converted into freelancing, and later on support them to go big in the form of proprietorship, partnership, or even a company. And here comes the great role of education and support. And girls should always be empowered to learn new skills on everyday basis so that she would have gained a lot of knowledge and skills by the time she enters the business. And she should also be involved in all problems that the family is facing so that she gets introduced to the world where she can be a problem solver or find her way when she encounters the problem. Same time, her decision, suggestions at home should be considered so that in future she would be a decision maker. Financial and emotional support for her is the most important thing that has to be taken care of by family and friends. And of course, government is also supporting women entrepreneurs through loans and reducing taxes, etc. The availability of this opportunity should reach every woman so that she takes steps ahead. And what is the one thing I want to change to make it easy for women entrepreneurs? The one thing that every woman should know is that how powerful they can be as a woman. When one woman succeeds, every woman starts realizing that they too can be successful. By encouraging a lot of women entrepreneurs, the role models get created and thereby shifting the view in young minds from being a homemaker to an entrepreneur. And finally, coming to what's our vision, like my vision for the enterprise. So, our firm domain of work is digital marketing, web development, and graphics. And my vision is to help other entrepreneurs to get more business through our platform. Currently, we are assisting domestic and international businesses in expanding their businesses to the next level by advanced technology implementation at an affordable cost. Happy Women's Day to all women across the world. Thank you.